Halo guys, saat ini saya berada persis di tengah kota Denpasar, di mana areal ini kita sebut dengan areal Simpang 6 atau jantung kota Denpasar Bali. Jadi keadaan saat ini di masa PPKM masih banyak orang yang berlalu lalang, cuma mereka memang mematuhi protokol kesehatan. Mereka semua memakai masker dan menjaga jarak. Adapun restoran-restoran yang sudah dibuka di daerah Denpasar, mereka juga mematuhi aturan yang berlaku semasa PPKM. Jadi kalau restoran dibuka tapi harus take away, tidak boleh makan di tempat. Begitu guys, sekedar informasi dari Bali Van Java untuk hari ini, hari ke-6 masa PPKM darurat di Jawa Bali. Terima kasih. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Today we will explore Denpasar city, the capital city of Bali. And now we are in heart of Denpasar. This area we call Teku Umar. Okay guys, today 9 of July 2021, I will drive around in Denpasar and make a video. And I will show you how look like the condition at the moment in Denpasar city. And today I will just make video in some point. Usually there are busy people there, so just stay in touch until the end of this video if you want to know how really the condition at the moment in Denpasar. Now we are in Teku Umar Street, the heart of Denpasar. And now we are in Renon area, the most famous area in Denpasar. In this area, a lot the government office, so still busy even the pandemic corona. In the left side there is Renon Plaza. So this is the condition in Renon area. Still look busy. If you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. And don't to forget to hit the bell notification, because I will always update the condition in Bali at the moment during the pandemic corona. From Renon area, and now we will explore Diponegoro Street. Usually in this area also very busy because a lot of office around here and local shop. After we explore Diponegoro Street, and now we will explore Puputan Renon Denpasar. It's also the most busy area. Okay guys, so this is the condition at the moment in Denpasar, the capital city of Bali. Thank you for stay in touch with my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.